Good afternoon, students. So now we understand decimal numbers system. In that we have already discussed about the expansion of 47,561. So how will you expand this number? 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 1. So this you can represent as 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. So 10,000 you can write as 10 power 4, 1,000 you can write as 10 power 3, 100 you can write as 10 power 2, 10 you can write as 10 power 1, and here 1 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1. So this way you can represent in the form of expansion. So here 10,000, that is 10 power 4, 1,000 10 power 3, 100 10 power 2, and 10 power 1, and 1 means 10 power 0. So this way you can expand the numbers and you can write them in terms of exponential form. This we have already learned in the first introductory part. So now we discuss the next topic, that is expressing large numbers in the system in standard form. So let's see. Let's see now expressing large number in the standard form. So if you observe some examples that we already discussed in the introduction part, that sun is located, the distance is mentioned meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. That number is very difficult to pronounce, very difficult to read that number because it is too large so that we cannot read it. The next we have number of stars in our galaxy. That number is also bigger, so bigger that we cannot read it easily. We cannot find any convenient way to read that. Mass of the earth is, that is also given a very big number in kg, so we cannot read that very easily. So these numbers are not convenient to write and read, and to make it convenient we use powers. How we can use? Suppose you have 59 and you want to represent 59 in terms of exponential form. So we want decimal point in between 5 and 9. So we are moving one place in the left direction. So we have to multiply by 10. This we already discussed in previous chapters. That 59 divided by 10, that is your 5.9. Okay. So 10 means 10 power 1. Now you have 590. Now you want to place decimal point over here. So how many steps you have to move? 1, 2. So you have to multiply by 100. So 5.90 multiplied by 100. 100 you can represent as 10 power 2. Then we have 59 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. So how many places we have to shift? In left direction 3. So we have to multiply by 1000. So 5.900 multiplied by 1000. After 9, no need to write this 0. So 5.9 into 10 power 3. Then we have 59,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5.9000 multiplied by 10,000. 10,000 you can write as 10 power 4. So the numbers that you express in this form, 5.9 into 10 power 1, 5.9 into 10 power 2, 5.9 into 10 power 3, and 5.9 into 10 power 4. So this notation of numbers, that is known as standard form. So what we can say, suppose you have 5,985 and you want to keep decimal point over here. So 1, 2, 3. You have to shift 3 decimal point in the left direction. So we have to multiply by 1000. So 5.985 multiplied by 1000 you can represent as 10 power 3. So this is the standard form. Okay. So this way we can represent or express large number in the standard form. You cannot write 59.85 into 10 power 2. This is not a standard form. You cannot write 0.5985 into 10 power 4. This is also a wrong one number should be there, means it should be in between 1.0 and 10.0. Whatever numbers are there, that should be in between 1.0 and 10.0, including the power with 10. So this way we can represent large number in terms of standard form. So many examples are given in your textbook, so that you can go through it. We write all the numbers and we understand all the numbers, how you can represent them in standard form. Let's see. So let's see the definition. We express all these numbers in the standard form. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0 multiplied by power of 10. Such a form of number is called its standard form. For example, this example we have discussed 5985, that we can represent it as 5.985 into 1000, which is equal to 5.985 into 10 power 3. Is the standard form of 5985. So note that we can also express this number like 59.85 into 100, but these are not the standard forms. We cannot express 0.5985 into 10 power 4. This is also not a standard form. So now we know that how we can represent large number in terms of standard form. Let's see some examples. This is given the distance of sun from the center of our galaxy. This much large is the number, that is not convenient to read it. So what we can do? We count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We want to keep our decimal point over here. So 20 digits we have to shift in the left side. So what we can write? 3.0 into 10 power 20 meters. So this is convenient to read and write. Same way for this, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to shift 10 digit in the left direction. So that is 4.0 into 10 power 10. So this is convenient to read. Next we have mass of the earth. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We want to keep decimal point in between 5 and 9. So 5.976 multiplied by 10 power 24. So this is readable and convenient to write. So this way we can convert the large numbers in terms of exponential form, or you can say standard form, that we can read easily, we can write easily. It is convenient for us. Same way you have mass of Uranus. So we can count from here. So till 25 you can count. So the answer is 8.68 into 10 power 25 kilogram. This is the mass of Uranus that you can conveniently read and write. Okay, so this way we can convert large number in terms of exponential form that can be readable and we can easily write it. Some more examples are given here that you can go through it by yourself. We have given examples 13. Express the following numbers in the standard form. So here we have 5985.3. So we want to shift this decimal point here 3 digits in the left direction. So what we can write? 5.9853 into 1000, that is 5.9853 into 10 power 3. Then we have 65,950. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit we have to shift. So we have to write 6.595 into 10 power 4. Same way next is 430,000. So that we can read as 3.43 into 10 lakh. So that we can read as 10 power 6. The next number is a very large number. So that also we can read as 7.004 into 10 power 10. Okay, so this way we can represent large number in terms of decimal or exponential form that can be readable and writable. Next we will discuss about the exercise 13.3. Thank you.